even more bored. Then I can go on and on and on because I'm a chatterbox like that. Yes, I feel being alive is the biggest thing to be grateful about for now. Exactly, that's what I feel every single hour, to be very honest, because there's some of the other bad news coming in. So I just feel like being alive now is a big, big, big blessing. And just please take care of yourselves and take care, yeah. How do you know Shrishti? She's my school friend. We were in the same class. I mean, the same standard, never in the same class. When will you come to India? I don't know, yeah. I don't know. What kind of workshop? It was Lee Strasberg. If you go on Google and you read about it, you'll come to know. It's really cool. You should do it. And it's not only for like I honestly think that not only actors should do it, everybody should do it because it's such an experience. They literally like, how do I put this? They literally like they I don't know how to say this. They transform you into different, like, it's just a technique, yeah. And when they practice it, it's just so cool. And when you practice it, you feel like, oh, like, wow, but you have to be in that zone, in that mood. To read about it, it's very easy, but when you actually practice it and apply it with you, you'll be like, this technique is sick, like, it's super cool. So definitely, like, it was, and it's an experience to transform yourself and like to be in that zone. It's just super cool. So I think all of us should do it. Like, if we get the opportunity, we should definitely do it. Have you colored your hair? No, I've never colored my hair, and I don't even intend to. Any good friends you made there? Yes, I did. Touchwood, I've been very blessed to come across very nice people since the time I've come here. Otherwise, I don't know what would I do, where would I be. So that way, I'm pretty lucky. Okay, guys, I don't think I have anything else to cry about and say. But thank you so much, all of you, saying hi, hello, and giving me really nice compliments. Thank you so much. And yeah, I am doing really fine. And I hope all of you are taking care. I know things are opening up in India, but that doesn't mean not me, I'm here. But there, you guys shouldn't like just go all out. I know it's been pretty tough for all of you to be staying at home for so many days, but now that it's all opening up, that doesn't mean that the virus is left. It really means that you need to take care now of yourself and be safe, because it's getting really terrible out there. And we have to accept that the medical team and all the workers who are trying to fight this out day and night are really, 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 really working hard, and we should really respect them and take as much care as possible for yourself. And of course, I'm hearing so many things about hospital beds not being available, and like, it's so sad, and the situation is such that you can't even help it, you can't even do anything about it. Just please take care, take precautions, and wear masks at all times, and try not to touch your face. Wash your hands again and again, only then touch your face. I just wash my hands, that's why I'm touching my face again and again. I sanitize my phone. Do not put sanitizer on your phone. That's one very big mistake. Do not put sanitizer on your phone. Either wash it if it's waterproof, or just take a warm like hot cloth and then wipe it off. But do not put sanitizer on your phone, it can damage your phone. And what else? Yes, just please take care, maintain distance, and try not to go out as much as possible. Yeah, guys, I'm having a bit of a serious talk. I know I've talked crap throughout this live chat, but I really, really am very worried for the whole world, especially for all of you. Please, please, please take care. It's a tough time. I literally, when I think about it, I just go crazy nuts. because what's happening, nobody thought about this, and now that it's happening, we have less resources. I'm talking about the whole world for that matter, and it's just crazy. So all we can do is just try our best to cope up with it, take all the necessary precautions to save our lives and the lives of people around us. It's very, very unsafe right now. Just please take care, and try to be as positive as possible. I don't read the news because it's just putting in too much negativity. I just keep thinking about it. Just so many things keep happening in my head then. But I have to tell you all that the situation is very terrible. I'm sure all of you already know, but I just feel very accountable. Since I have all of you following me, I want to tell you, all of you, to listen to me if you really like me and support my work. Practice social distancing for sure. Don't go out unless it's necessary. And yeah, take care. It's getting really bad out there. So please take care. And I'll do this very soon. Take care. I love you all. I know I really elongated this last part. I didn't even plan this. I never plan anything. But there's so much to say about what's happening in the world. I just want all of you to be safe and the world to just get back to normal. Just please take all precautions and stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye. Love you all.